Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Sudstainables brand fabric softener sheets for washers. You don't use these in your dryer. They're fresh scent, natural, eco-friendly. This product gets excellent customer ratings. It'll work up to 200 loads. There's 100 sheets there. We're going to open these up to show you how they operate, how they work. Great for the environment, one load at a time. So this will improve the scent of your wash. It also reduces wrinkles and it fights static. So typically you put something like this in a dryer, but not this. This goes in your wash. So you could combine this with your washing fluid, and this company makes also excellent sheets for that. Also, I'll have a link for that in the description also. So this is an advanced formula, and it's designed to work with your washer machine and with your washer soap that you're putting for your clothes. It's innovative technology and it's very small. You can bring it with you when you go travel so that you have something available if you have to do clothes on a holiday vacation or something like that. There's no mess, simple solution. There's no liquid. You're not wasting water or plastic. This will leave your clothes feeling soft, and again, don't worry about all the heavy plastic and water that you normally have to carry with you when you want to have a fabric softener. So let's open this up and take a look at it. So the package opens up and you could just keep this on your washer machine and you can see what they look like. Kind of got a rougher pattern on one side, smooth on the other, and you can see they easily separate. If it's a super small load, you could actually use a quarter of this. For a normal load, you'd use this one piece, and for a large load, you'd use both these just like that. Very simple to use and very efficient, and these work great. I tried them already. My wife loves them also. So I'm impressed with the product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope my video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.